If you neatly stack your goods on a wooden plank, you can drag the plank to move them over short distances, but the friction between the plank and the ground is huge. The moment you hit an uneven patch, the load easily loses balance and topples over in an instant. So you get an idea. Lay a few logs under the plank and let it roll. By using rolling friction instead of sliding friction, moving the cargo suddenly becomes much easier. However, this method requires you to keep laying logs in front as you go. It's clumsy, time-consuming, and physically exhausting. Not satisfied with that, you aim for greater efficiency. You try drilling holes through the center of each log, inserting a wooden axle, and fixing this axle to the bottom of the plank, creating a simple wheel and axle system. But the logs are too small in diameter, and the cargo is quite heavy. Pulling it is still very hard work. Faced with this problem, you come up with a smarter design. You reshape the plank into a series of half-arc segments, then join multiple half-arcs into a complete circular ring, and call these segments teeth. Next, you choose tough elm wood and carve it into a hollow spindle shape, thicker in the middle, thinner at both ends, and name this central piece the hub. You also make a batch of thin wooden strips as spokes. Using traditional mortise and tenon joinery, you precisely assemble the hub, spokes, and outer ring into one solid wheel. To strengthen the structure even further, you add a metal band around the rim. This metal tire not only improves wear resistance, but also makes the entire wheel more rigid and durable. Finally, you connect two such wheels with a wooden axle and build a cargo platform on top. Your transportation efficiency multiplies at once. Congratulations, you've just invented the spoked wheel.